Good morning. Welcome to the Kate Shepherd Elementary Newscast. Today is Thursday, March 17th, 2022. Please stand, join me in the pledge and a moment of silence. Salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, and with liberty and justice for all. Remain standing for a moment of silence. Thank you. You may be seated. Today's announcements. Teachers, please post attendance. Also, make sure your quarterly grades are synced in PowerSchool and ready, and you can go ahead and start verifying those. They must be verified before you leave on Teacher Workday. PST, all PST documentation should be current. Our administrative instructional team should be coming around and finishing up any goal setting with classes they have not met with, finishing that up today, and also the book fair will continue this week through Thursday. Today's the last day of the book fair. Make sure you go this morning. Miss Smith sent out a brand new schedule yesterday. We have a testing meeting this afternoon, and so she is going to have to close down a little bit early due to that. Next announcements, these are for students mostly. Students should not have cell phones in class. If students bring a cell phone to school, it must remain in their backpack and powered off. Outerwear. Many students are wearing jackets, sweatshirts that do not follow the uniform policy. Once students come into the building and are in classrooms, outerwear should meet uniform guidelines. No hoodies. No hoodies. Students, once you get into your classroom and unpacked, you need to be wearing your red uniform shirt, and not all these other random things, all right? No hoodies. Today's late duty is Miss Peralta. Important dates. Today, March 17th, we have our third quarter, and you can wear green for $1. Miss Linscomb sent out instructions for that this morning. The teachers will do a multiple receipt page and send their money into Miss Wetzel. Tomorrow is Teacher Workday. No school for students. Monday, March 21st, first quarter begins. March 21st through 25th is going to be ACAP testing for our second and third grade reading and ACAP alternate. Tuesday, March 22nd is Math PLT. Wednesday, March 23rd, we have HMH representative on campus. Friday, March 25th is Feel Good Friday and also World Epilepsy Day. Students may wear a purple shirt with uniform pants for a $2 donation to support epilepsy. Also Tuesday, March 29th is PST. As we mentioned, today is St. Patrick's Day. Hope we see lots of green shirts. Our ACAP Scholar supporters, pre-K, is going to be the cheerleader for Miss Overstreet's class. Miss Waller is going to cheer on Miss Bolton, Miss Lankford. Miss Lee's class is going to support Miss Wolf and Miss Moore. Miss Guidry's class is going to be the cheer captains for Miss Arch and Miss Barnes. Miss Cunningham's class is going to celebrate Miss Everett and Miss Heishman's classes. Miss Shaver's class is going to cheer on Miss Hamlin and Miss Washam's classes. Miss Clark is going to give some pep talks. Miss Clark's class is going to give some pep talks to Miss Bertolino and Miss Peralta's classes. Miss Duberg's class is going to cheer on Miss Battaglia and Miss Granger's classes. And Miss Hogan's class is going to support Miss Weaver and Miss Curd's class. So please cheer on and encourage your ACAP testing classes during the weeks that they test. Signs, notes, cheers, chants, songs, and high fives are all acceptable. Pump them up in any way that you can. Can't wait to see those. That's all for today's news. Have a thankful Thursday, Kate Shepherd.